Let us now look at the different networks in Ethereum. Public blockchain networks are decentralized and aren't controlled by a single entity. Public blockchains are secure as individuals are unable to modify or alter a block once it has been validated on the blockchain. We will discuss a couple of main production networks followed by few testnets. Let us start with Ethereum mainnet. Ethereum mainnet is the largest Ethereum virtual machine or EVM network out there. It is incredibly well known in the world of blockchain and serves as the benchmark for most Ethereum-based networks and many others as well. Ethereum mainnet was established in July 2015 as an open source proof of work network. It consists of a blockchain-based computing platform and an operating system that facilitates smart contract protocols. It can therefore compute any code and is hence sometimes called world computer. As the most widely used EVM network, Ethereum mainnet is supported by Geth, Parity, Nethermind, and Hyperledger Besu, and many more. Its chain ID is 1 and block time is approximately 13 seconds. The chain ID is just an attribute of Ethereum wire protocol that prevents nodes from different chains to connect to each other. Chain ID is not included into blocks but is used during transaction signing and verification process, effectively protecting transaction aiming one chain to appear on another chain. Block time for any type of cryptocurrency such as Bitcoin or Ethereum is an estimate of time it takes to create a new block in the chain. Some of the key dApps deployed on mainnet are TraceDonate, DLT.SG, KYC Chain, Chainlink, MakerDAO, Brave, EOS Dynasty, etc. Next is Ethereum Classic. Ethereum Classic is one of the original proof-of-work blockchain networks. When Ethereum mainnet forked in the summer of 2016 as a result of the DAO hack and the reversal of the stolen funds, Ethereum Classic mainnet was born. The Ethereum Classic developers decided to keep the original state and include the hack. Today, Ethereum Classic is a smaller network with a lower gas price, ETH approximately 10 GUI, that is supported by Geth, Parity, and Hyperledger Besu. Its chain ID is 61 and block time is approximately 12 seconds. Another production level network is Mixed Mainnet. Ethereum Mixed Mainnet is proof of work network that uses IPFS as the underlying storage layer and protocol buffers to encode the data. The Ethereum Mixed Mainnet is supported by Mixgeth and Parity, maintaining a deep focus on censorship resistance, inclusion, and empowerment of the individual. Its chain ID is 76 and block time is approximately 7 seconds. Now, what are the Ethereum-based test networks? We can think of a test chain as experimental sandbox for developers and native blockchain users to run simulated tests. Testnets support experimentation to refine dApp developments in a simulated environment. Testnets are useful developer resources to build native blockchain products and identify errors before going live. A key advantage of these testing environments is not having to buy real Ether to pay for gas to get the on-chain transactions processed. Some of the testnets are Ropsten. Ethereum Ropsten is the successor to Modern, the first Ethereum testnet. This testnet is not recommended though, as it is prone to spam attacks, slow speeds, and poor reliability. Its chain ID is 3 and block time is less than 30 seconds. Ringb. Ethereum Ringb is the proof of authority test network established in April 2017. Ringb uses click proof of authority consensus protocols that are developed and maintained by Geth. The network is supported by Geth, Nethermind, and Hyperledger Besu. Its chain ID is 4 and block time is approximately 15 seconds. Kovan. Ethereum Coven is a proof of authority test network. The network uses an authority round, or called Aura, consensus mechanism that's supported by parity. Its chain ID is 42 and block time is approximately 4 seconds. Goerli. Ethereum Goerli is a proof of authority test network that was established in March of 2019. Goerli uses a click consensus mechanism. The network is directly maintained by the Goerli developer community and supported by Geth, Parity, Nethermind, and Hyperledger Bezu. We prefer Ethereum Goerli over Coven to test for mainnet due to Goerli's increased network size, the number of nodes, and the variety of clients. Its chain ID is 6284 and block time is approximately 15 seconds. While we are discussing the Ethereum public network, it is important to know testnet faucets. Ether on testnets have no real value. Therefore, there are no markets for testnet Ether. Since you need Ether to actually interact with Ethereum, most people get testnet Ether from faucets. Most faucets are web apps where you can input an address which you request Ether to